Welcome to CBD Street Talk, coming to you from our new offices here at Double Bay. It's been referred to as the budget we had to have. Today we'll be providing our summary of Tuesday's federal budget.
One topic that has received a lot of coverage by the media has been this debt levy, or what now is referred to as the temporary budget repair levy of 2%, which applies to income over $180,000 per annum. This effectively takes the top marginal tax rate to 49%, inclusive of the Medicare levy.
So let's put this all in perspective. Someone earning $200,000 will pay $400 per annum for the temporary budget repair levy. Someone on $300,000 will pay $2,400 per annum on the temporary budget repair levy.
It's also important to note that whilst this does apply to people that earn over $180,000 per annum, there are circumstances where it actually may impact people that earn under this.
If you sell an asset and realise a capital gain is one, and the other is if you're aged between 55 and 59 and withdraw a lump sum from your superannuation and from the taxable component. This amount could be included in your taxable income and push you over the $180,000 threshold.
Another issue addressed by the budget was non-concessional contributions. People who now make non-concessional contributions and exceed the cap have the option of having that excess contribution as well as the earnings withdrawn from the super and taxed at their marginal tax rate rather than penalty tax through the super fund, which would be at the highest marginal tax rate.
Also in the budget was the superannuation guarantee rate. The government confirmed that the superannuation guarantee rate will increase to 9.5% in July this year. It also proposed that this rate will remain for the next 4 years until July 2018. From there on, the rate will increase by 0.5% per annum. This announcement gives employers and employees certainty to be prepared for the increase to their SG obligations. However, the new proposal also represents a further delay to the SG rate reaching 12% by another year compared to the government's previous proposal.
One of the more controversial announcements from the budget has been the increase of the age pension to age 70 by the year 2035. This means that anyone born on or after the 1st of January 1966, so that's effectively anyone between the age of, or anyone the age of 48 or under, will have to wait until they're 70 before they're able to receive the age pension. While the current pension age for both men and women is 65, it has been legislated that from the 1st of July 2017, the qualifying age for the age pension will increase from 65 to 65 and a half for both men and women. The qualifying age will then rise by 6 months every 2 years, reaching 67 by the 1st of July 2023. Whilst the policy intention is to encourage people to work till age 70, the reality is that people may not be able to work until this age, and as such there could be a gap between when someone actually retires and the age that they can receive the age pension. This may bring forth new retirement strategies or address new considerations in order to be able to fund this gap.
Another controversial announcement was the patient $7 contribution that is to begin to start in July next year. This means each time you go see your GP, have a blood test or an x-ray, a $7 fee will apply. However, pensioners and children will only have to pay for their first 10 visits per annum. After that, no contribution is needed. The government has also promised to use the bulk savings found in a health portfolio to set up the Medical Research Future Fund, forecasted to grow to $20 billion by 2020. The Treasurer made this announcement envisioning an Australian to be the person to find better treatments and cures for dementia, Alzheimer's, heart disease and even cancer.
The Commonwealth Seniors Healthcare Card was also addressed in this year's budget. Indexation will apply to the threshold, which may mean that additional people become eligible for the Seniors Healthcare Card. However, the definition of income has also expanded to include superannuation income from a pension. they're going to deem these based on a predetermined rate rather than the actual income that's drawn from the pension. This may mean that some people that are currently receiving the healthcare card under the future rules may be ineligible. The great news is that if you've currently got a pension, these are going to be grandfathered. It only applies to new account-based pensions effective from the 1st of January 2015.
Other key announcements by the government are changes to health debts, which will increase the amounts payable. Also, repayments of health debts will start at lower income levels. Other changes include the family tax benefit A and B, which could see families lowering their entitlements. On the growth side, the Treasurer confirmed a $39 billion infrastructure package to get the country moving again. This will start with the $11 billion West Connects project in Sydney, which he said would see shovels in the ground within months.
So the strategy from the Treasurer is clear. The budget aims to deliver a surplus in 4 years and potentially leave room for tax cuts in the next election. Thank you for watching this edition of CBD Street Talk.
See you next time.